Last lessons we learned how to fill plain watercolor, how to mix two different colors in one format, and how to use water for making lighter shades, then how to do one colors, tints and shades, hello friends. In last some lessons we learned how to make some shades with one color. In watercolor we are going to use more water for making lighter shades and less water and thick color for the darker shades. How to mix two colors, two different colors, one color. We learned all these things, basic things in last some 2-3 lessons, and here we are doing one picture on them. So in this corner, first we are going to draw a candle. This is the candle top, and I am taking just one line downside. Here also one line downside. From here a flame is there, and the candle's other side this is. In watercolor must have draw picture very lightly. So we'll draw this picture little bit light. And now we are going to start the color. Here I am using flat brush and I am using blue color shades for background part. In the center, candle's flame there is the center, light tone is there. So I am keeping this page as it is, and from side I am using blue color, and with the help of water, how we'll make a lighter tone. We just learn it here. So I am taking this blue color like this, circular model. If I feel my brush is dry, take water, take color. Just continue. And here I am using dark, little bit thick color from outer side. Then I hold my brush. Inside part I am correcting here. I take water and I am going to merge here like this. Now I put here little bit water and taking here color. Just mix it like this. Till that blue color is wet, you can do anything on that. Just move your brush again and again. And see the shading come out properly. Here we'll put some water, and there I am using blue color tone with the water. Like this, we are making here shades. This is light, this is pure color, and here we are mixing a little bit more water inside, and very light tone is here. I'm going to wash my brush, only water is there, just dab it and just turn it here one more time. The last edge, means that last edge is mixed here, Now the candle part. For the candle part I am using a different blue. So very first I am making a shade with little bit water and I am going to fill this color here. Very simple way. I am using lot of water here. Then I'm using little bit black color inside that blue and make a dull tone here. I'm going to overlap this dull tone when blue is. After filling this blue color, let it dry for 2 to 5 minutes. After that, take dark blue color shade and mix some black color for the dark tone and make a shade here. After that, we'll do this shade upper side like this and just pull it downside. Like this. Then I'm going to wash my brush. Just dab on the cloth and wet brush I'm going to move from here and there. On the candle. Then if you needed a small brush, you can use a round brush here. Again I am mixing little bit blue and black without water. Means this color is little bit thick here. For the last dark tone we need a thick color and we are doing this part here like this. Then just a small thin line here. After that I'll take this dark color downside here. Means if you saw here lightest tone, then little bit dark tone and one more dark tone. Light to dark tone we are doing here in blue and black color. Where light part is there we are not doing coloring again and again. Just keep that place with lightest blue only and we are taking dark blue on dark side. Now we are going to make a frame. For the frame we are using yellow ochre and orange, brown. Very first I am taking yellow color and giving it the flame like this. Little bit outer side, wash your brush and merge with the water here. Then I am taking yellow ochre and brown color here together, just outlining for the flame and downside. See, yellow color is bright and here this brown and orange color is going to mix in the yellow properly. Let it dry properly for 2 to 5 minutes. While doing final touch up with the dark tone, before that check your page everything is dried or not. If this part is not dried, don't do on that part. We'll finish our background less part. So here I am taking this darker blue in my brush mixing some fresh blue here and just giving 1 or 2 strokes like this. In a circular form, we are giving the strokes. For the candle, I am using blue color with very less water. It's a blue color with very less water. Just mix with the black little bit, and if you want, you can do it here for the final touch up again that shade. Mix with the water. Wash my brush and take only water brush and taking some lines downside here. And now our background part and candle part is ready and this part is dried. So I'm taking brown color with very less water. I repeat again, very less water. Mix little bit blue for the dark tone, or you can mix white also. You can mix black also for the dark tone here. This is the dark tone, and from the downside we are going to do it this dark tone for the flame here. Wash my brush here, going to tap on the cloth and just make these lines upside very slowly with the help of watery brush. Like this here, and this side. As per your convenience, you can use small brushes here. For the freshness of flame, I am using here a little bit orange color at the end, one side. Now, if you saw flame, lightest lemon yellow, orange and brown, you can see 3 shades here. And this is our complete picture with the watercolor. In this picture, we are learning how to make different shades with one color and water here. Then we are learning here how to make light color shades with the water, and after that with the help of main color and black, how to make darker tone here. Thank you.